Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you.
Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, you know what they say, that whatever has a beginning has an end. My trip in Nigeria has finally come to an end. Oh my god, I really enjoyed myself in Nigeria. I ate a lot of local dishes that I've missed, but it's time for me to go back to my base, Minnesota. And actually I'm still in Enugu, so I am flying to Lagos with my sister. She's gonna be going with me to Lagos, and then she's gonna fly to Port Harcourt after I leave. So there you go. I'm gonna miss everybody. I'm gonna miss everything. It's been a while and I really enjoyed myself. Okie doke, it is time for me to go back to the States. I am ready. As you can see, the bags are already packed there, but we are going to Lagos. Look at this one. I think she's the one that is traveling abroad. Like, she looks so cute. So many. Anyway, so we're going to Lagos. We will stay in a hotel in Lagos. We'll see you in Lagos. Okay, we finally made it to the hotel. Our flight was great. Thank God for Johnny, Messi. And this is the room. This is the bed. So I'm gonna show you around the room, the bathroom. The room is not that big, but it's perfect. It's okay, clean, and I love it. Okay, I'm almost ready for my trip, and we're just taking a walk outside the hotel. Just to kill the time. I'm looking for something to eat. We're hungry. am in transit here in Amsterdam. It's a long 7 hours transit, so it's gonna be a long wait, but this place is beautiful though, very beautiful. Okay, I'm just coming back. It was a very nice trip, nothing stressful, and I thank God for joining us. My trip to Nigeria was very successful, and I am back to the United States, and I can't wait to share my experience with all of you. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, thank you.